I completed the task. You see, my husband, better known as Amore, asked me to put together some artwork for our home gym, and I am so pleased with the results. Let me show you step by step how you can do this as well. I am Uri. Welcome or welcome back if you have visited my channel before. So let's get going. Let me show you how simple it is to take artwork to the next level. I'm using this plywood and I'm going to cut both ends of this piece to use it as the back for my artwork. I'm making sure that I am going to cut straight here using my circular saw. This is a cordless circular saw. It's a little bit intimidating to use it because it's not something I do every day, but just making sure that I do it carefully. Now I'm going to sand all my pieces to make sure that the wood is smooth and nice. Now I'm using 220 grit sandpaper to make it smooth, but I started with 60 grit sandpaper to get rid of all the roughness of the wood first. Now it's time to paint. I'm using Behr paint. It's a red color, and it's a glossy color, and it's an exterior paint. I'm using an adapter to spray, which it makes it easier. I like this paint. It goes so nicely, and it doesn't have a strong odor at all. I let it dry for 2 hours, and then I came back and I applied a second coat of paint for all the boards. And after it's dried completely, I'm applying this Valspar Antique Glaze. I'm applying it only to the edge of the board just because in the center I'm going to place the sticker. And with a rag, I am taking off the excess. What this does is that it creates an antique look, a more distressed look. And I'm doing the same thing with a bigger board. And here's a close-up so you can see better. After it's dry, I am going to just place my sticker in the center, so I measure to try to place it in the center. Now I'm going to press it down to adhere completely. And to help the sticker to adhere better, I'm using this rubber roller. I just want to make sure that the sticker's not gonna peel off. I'm putting this in the garage, and here in South Florida we have a lot of humidity, so I want to make sure that it adheres perfectly. creepy. Don't like this one at all. I'm doing it for my husband. And this is the other one. And for the bigger one, there's more steps involved. As you can see, I'm just marking where I'm going to put the screws to attach these signs to my board. But first, what I did, I opened the holes using this drill bit because it was too hard for the screws to go inside. So I opened the holes a little bit, and now I'm going to be using the screwdriver to secure all the signs to the board with the screws. And that's it. That's all it is. I added all the screws to all the signs in the boards. And let me show you how they turn out. This one is the first one, and I really like this one. This one, I don't like it so much. It's too manly for my taste. And this one. Okay, as you can see behind me, it's one that I created as well using the Cricut machine. And remember, I'm here to inspire you to be creative in your unique ways. Until later, goodbye.